Okay, so first of all, this was the claim like DNA contains digital and specified functional information. So I actually believe this because I did some research and there was a blog which says DNA can actually like kind of store even some like kilobytes of data as well.
All right, so let me explain what's going on here. Hamza and Suhaib are developers on Epist. We've been building Epist under the premise that we can build a platform that helps us understand each other better and refine our own beliefs. But this is the first time that we have ever actually been able to use it. I specifically picked a topic that would be challenging for us. We all come from different educational and religious backgrounds. So check out this topic. This is the topic on Epist. You can see the source of the topic is this YouTube video. You can get to it by clicking this link at the top. So here's the YouTube video. The YouTube video is a Cambridge philosopher who breaks down the structure of DNA and poses the question over whether it's more likely attributable to an intelligent mind or to the processes of evolution. The three of us evaluated this for about 45 minutes, but I chopped it down into a 5 minute compilation so you can see what it's like for us to use Epist for the very first time and find out if it works.
The second one was that like specified or functional information always originates from an intelligent mind. I don't actually believe this.
I think we do have a competing beliefs for this one.
We do. Oh, scroll down. All the way down. So there's the standard evolutionary theory right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I actually believe on this one.
Right. Let's take a look at it.
Okay. So, like, if we see like the sporting beliefs on this, like the natural selection acting on like random mutations generates new functional genetic sequences over time.
Click on it to open it so we can see the positions.
Okay.
Oh, so you disbelieve that, but it's not consistent according to the rules. You haven't disbelieved some axiom.
Yeah. Yeah, because now I'm disagreeing with any of the like child beliefs. So
Right.
that's why I can like disbelieve with the parent.
So for the first one, DNA contains digital specified functional information. I think at this point, this is rather a fact than a belief. So I definitely believe this one, and I believe that DNA contains digital or specified functional information. Then the second one, specified or functional information always originates from an intelligent mind. I have a different approach to this one than that of Hamza. I believe that in this specific sentence, intelligent mind means any mind.
All right, cool. Yeah, let's look at that belief system.
It is the one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I do believe most. I do disbelieve most of it, and on one of them, I think I do not have enough research about it, so I am unsure about that one. But on the other ones, I disbelieve most of it. The root node, obviously, undirected medical processes account for the origin of specified functional information in DNA. I do not believe that. I do not believe that the RNA world hypothesis explains early genetic information arising through natural cells replicating RNA molecules. No, I do not believe that as well. I believe that we the humans might have some pieces of information missing from our theories.
Functional information contained inside DNA acts like human engineered digital code. I'll go ahead and say I believe this one. So yeah, let's say this is my sort of final personal position on this. Is I do disagree with the whole thing. But I agree with a lot of the individual nodes, and I'm unsure of the individual nodes, but I disagree with the IPF that leads to this conclusion.
All right. Everyone has a free will.
Yeah, that's right. And that's part of Epist is allowing everyone to take their actual positions completely free of, you know, pointing fingers or whatever. It is what it is.
Yeah.
And I think this discussion is a very good example of the fact that discussing things openly and listening to each other's arguments helps us decide better. Like I had not Hamza did it first, and then when I did these beliefs, I saw some new things that I was not seeing previously. And then after both of us, I am sure that you saw some new things as well that you were not seeing early.
Okay, so we did it and it worked. Throughout that whole process, there was about 30 different claims that we took individual positions on. But beyond that, those claims were structured into about 8 different belief systems. And I deliberately did not try to show you what any one of our individual belief systems was, because that's not the point of that video. If you want to know our individual belief systems, you can actually go on to Epist and look at which claims we believe, which belief systems and logical structures we believe, which premises and conclusions we agree with. The point of going through that process and recording the video is to show that we could bring different people together with different beliefs, different belief systems, and by going through the process, we could not only understand each other better, but refine our own beliefs. I am thrilled at the very first use of Epist, and I can't wait to apply this at scale so that everyone can experience this process.